The Limburg villa is a stunning example of contemporary architecture that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. This spacious residence, nestled within a lush green landscape, offers a tranquil and inspiring living experience. Custom-made furniture and built-in closets emphasize the interior's quality. Rich materials such as oak wood panels in oil, a continuous cement floor, Grigio Alpine natural stone base elements, and a staircase are utilized. Cabinets in the entrance, kitchen, living room, and lounge feature dark oil-treated oak veneer. While those in the bathroom and walk-in hallway are in light oak veneer. In the bathroom and ground floor office, the open ceilings are painted white, paired with light oak cabinets. Natural fir wood is used for the open ceilings in the living room, ground floor lounge, and bedrooms upstairs. The kitchen and bathroom have closed ceilings. The toilet space in the entrance is constructed in brick with a lime wash finish. The villa's design fosters a strong connection to nature. The large windows and sliding glass doors frame views of the surrounding landscape. While the central patio provides a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. The use of natural materials, such as wood and stone, further enhances the sense of connection to the environment. The design maximizes views of the surrounding landscape while minimizing the impact on the environment. The minimalist detailing of the facades and interiors enhances the overall design. The varying ceiling heights and finishes add depth and interest to the interior. The integration of natural light and ventilation, as well as the use of energy-efficient materials and systems, contributes to the sustainability of the building.